This brand is a part of A.O. Smith and offers a wide selection of units in both indoor and outdoor mounted units as well as natural and LP gas models. The water heaters use patented X3 scale prevention technology, which provides for a 3x longer unit lifespan. They use copper primary heat exchangers with durable stainless steel secondary heat exchangers on condensing models. Their unique air-fuel ratio sensor monitors and optimizes combustion efficiency by varying the speed of the combustion fan. The units have digital controls and are backed by a good guarantee but are sold through authorized installers.